Enthusiasm from Tokyo. Hey, hi, Gray.
Okay, are we ready to move on?
Yes.
Maple,
Oh,
go for
I
it.
recommend. Wait, Finning?
Thank you for the follow,
I've
whoever
already
that
fucked
was.
it up.
Oh my god. We are only top tier seiyus here.
I don't really get the internet at all. Oh, I know that. So having you here really helps.
Fucking boomer.
Yeah. Fucking boomer.
Silence, boomer.
Come on, you better sing no.
Cat girl goes.
Cat goes
burr.
burr. Neko goes burr.
Right,
In chat, I feel the need to say this one out loud. It's not incest if you say no chromo.
In the words of the great Giga.
Just goes clogged.
Gone. I expected this from anyone, not from me.
Cat girls and humans have different ways of growing.
What, do I have to water them?
Do they?
But not asking.
Please stop saying butt nuts.
I cannot.
Nuts.
Maximum nuts.
Maximum nut.
Hey, this is an invasion of privacy. Stop taking pictures.
No.
Why doesn't anything ever go well for me, same girl?
Honestly, yeah, same.
Actually, same.
No.
Mood.
I place a cup of tea in front of coconut.
And then this turns into a noir tale.
I know what. Alright. Taking the seat across from her, I sip my own tea.
Push yourself too hard, or you just end up failing.
That's rough,
Get
buddy.
real with me, game.
Yeah. Yeah. Things are getting real a bit.
But knowing me, I'll just end up making it worse. So easy to play her.
Oh no.
The casting was well done.
This is something she has to work through on her own, though. There's nothing I can say to cure her of her worries.
Does anybody know how to play the saxophone?
Oh my god.
But I don't know how to play.
We're not going out for a stroll, okay? It's a delivery.
It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
Oh god.
Not sponsored.
Hey, yo, DiGiorno, if you want to sponsor any of us,
I would like that.
And there will even be fewer jobs left for me to do.
Those eyes.
Oh
Like
no.
we had some-
Oh
You're
no.
taking her job away, Kashu.
They took your jibs!
Thanks, stop
Reject
outsourcing.
technology.
Don't do that.
Girl.
Oh,
Yes,
or
I
maybe
opened the
can just
echo.
write
A
more in
cider.
my head.
That's not no.
Hey, that's
Oh no.
So he can drive you.
So you can ride me?
I'm not gonna answer
that
that question.
At least.
I'd never realized just how low her self-esteem was.
Close to home.
Same.
Oh, here, Res has a part here because
Oh.
this is an extra character that only appears here.
Yes, milk.
I am a filler character.
What do you mean?
Poggers.
It's the Catgirl sisters. Hi.
Aw.
Oh,
Aww.
Cutie.
fruit
so cute.
stand cat.
Good afternoon. It's been a while. Bow.
Wow.
Nice to see you too, mister. How you been?
I guess I am kind of.
What do you want, old man?
Whoa.
What do you want, old man?
Doesn't even know about the internet. Fucking boomer.
Hmm?
Oh boy. Too young for you?
I guess the age gap between us is significant no matter how you look at it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Oh no, not again.
Good afternoon. My name's Milk. I'm from the Takoyaki
Get the fuck out of here.
Her name is Milk. Wow.
One-chan, you're a cat girl too, right?
Oh my god.
Just like me. Meow, meow.
I love that. This is a cat boy in
That's so
disguise.
cute.
Yeah, just like you. Yeah. Yeah.
That's a perfect
That makes
response.
so much more sense.
I'm dying.
Oh,
What are you buying, stranger? Wait. What are you buying? What are you selling?
She's back.
What are you
She's
buying?
back.
Hey, Broken Code 32, you're
Okay.
fucking dead to me, by the way.
Wow.
Rez,
Wow.
Rez?
You're the big sister of these big sisters. Amazing.
It's reinforcing the fact that the cat girls are all in with the mob.
big sister Inception.
We have a lot of big sisters, but she's the youngest big sister.
That doesn't make sense.
My
No,
brain
it's-
is shutting off.
Yeah.
The youngest big sister. Wow. You have so many big sisters. I'm so envious.
I'm so envious.
Rez, I just want to say
Whoa.
you're fucking killing it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Rez?
No, they just
Stranger.
Oh, that was
Stranger.
it. Oh, okay.
I'll buy it at a high price.
Oh, yeah.
No, just having big sister is already enough to make me envious.
This little cat's been smoking like 3 packs a day.
I mean, having a lot of big cat girl sisters is totally fun.
Guys, you gotta lay off the Marlboros, man.
Bet it is.
I smoke what I want. I always smoke the red hundreds.
I'm gonna try not to use seductive mode while there's a child on screen.
It's
Too
it's
late, you're already on a list.
you're already on the list. It's not fun for you. Even though you have all these great sisters by your side.
Oh my god.
No, I only respect my
Soul
siblings,
sister,
but,
soul sister.
we'll see.
I knew it was fun. That's great.
Oh my god, I can't get this right.
So you gonna buy anything? I want to talk with your big sisters too.
Sound like you're gonna pedal them like watching the street.
I promise you, they're 100. I promise you, they're 100% legit. Found them myself. I mean, obtained them myself. Yeah, totally want to go. I want to talk to more big sisters.
Same girl.
Alright, great, calm down.
Well, looks like she's back in high spirits. That's good.
What are you buying?
She's like the most annoying salesperson ever. She just keeps asking.
Just off in the back. What are you buying?
What are you buying?
Stranger, stranger.
I just want my food, man.
She reminds me of Eustace from Courage the Cowardly Dog.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Watch it
god.
over.
Alright.
The things I do for love.
I breathe
Oh
a
my
sigh of
lord.
relief.
Oh right. Where's your owner?
What? Kasho, you want to own her too? Damn.
Oh no.
Previous statement of
Don't tell her
ladies
my
What do you-
plan.
What is it? What are
She's a
you buying?
child.
Because
What are you buying? What are you
doesn't-
buying?
Because it
We're gonna
doesn't
snatch
look
her.
like she's around.
That'll be extra.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Deep inside the chest,
Whitman. There's no other way.
Nearby either.
Shit.
Really don't like this.
Where is this going?
don't
Where
like
is
this.
this
Oh my
going? Where
God.
is this going?
If this cat girl's here, that means her master's got to be somewhere close.
Yeah.
Should we not? There's
Yeah,
top
sure,
salaries
but-
going on.
Stranger danger. Stranger danger.
Right here.
Master's out shopping, so I'm keeping watch for now.
Run, Milk, run.
Hey, you know what? Master and I thought of a new kind of takoyaki.
It's called frickin' cyanide.
Oh no.
The only
my
problem
God.
is we don't have the ingredients to make it right now.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh no, no.
So I'm keeping watch over the stalls until Master comes back.
I love this.
Poggers.
Very
That's
pog.
pretty fun.
I really want to try them. And I want all of you to try them too. Yeah.
not in there.
Yeah.
On the clock, but we can't just leave now.
Yeah, you haven't bought anything yet.
Is it alright? You know what they say? Those who don't work don't eat.
Damn.
Fuck.
Fuck.
What?
That's fine. You just use a credit card.
Somebody needs the Soviet anthem on the soundboard right there.
Are we allowed to play that?
I don't
I
think
don't
so.
Is it
know.
copyrighted, or are we just getting in trouble?
I mean, it's a national anthem. It's a national anthem. Those footsteps. It's Master. She's back. See you over there.
You're like a giant.
Yeah. There's other cat girls that you could know.
I'm a cat
They
girl
have
after
good
all.
hearing.
Gotta keep watch for the popo. Oh, I can tell which
Selling crack cocaine on the side of the street.
they can't know where I get these Rolexes. I can tell which footsteps are Masters from a mile away.
Listen,
Wait just a sec, okay? I'll go call Master.
Just gonna say
Oh.
bus.
I call the boss.
Master! Two big sister cat girls from before are here.
Help!
Huh?
She shouts gleefully.
That's a lot of nuts.
What
That's a lot
happened?
of damage.
Where did she
She
go?
runs right towards her master.
Is she actually gonna get hit by a bus?
Hope not.
It's a guide.
Without paying attention. Oh god.
Oh,
Without
Oh,
paying
come
attention
on.
to what's
Milk,
happening around her.
milk.
She heads
Oh.
right for the other side of the road.
No.
Please no, please no.
No, please no.
I'm gonna be an isekai protagonist.
No,
Oh,
no,
no,
no. Oh my god, I didn't
Country
know this happened in
roads,
this game.
take me home to the place
I gotta
I
say-
belong.
Very no, I did not. Without realizing the crosswalk light is still red.
I'm gonna be an isekai protag master.
Milk gun! It's a red line! Be careful!
Stop, Milk. There's a car.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So
Just
Vanilla
like,
enjoys
I
murdering
don't give
people.
a shit.
Huh? Car?
That face is not appropriate.
Yeah.
Big sister.
More!
Ah!
Oh,
It's Wario.
more!
Big sis.
I like how it's so manages to be cute.
Ah!
Okay.
Big sis.
Never
Ah!
Wario.
That's
That's so
coconut
cute.
is mom material.
Yes.
I want her to be my mom. I mean,
Same.
we're on stream. Don't
Yeah,
clip that,
fair.
please.
Continuing. Reds.
Ah!
What did you eat?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah!
Oh my god.
Milk, do you promise to stop selling those Rolexes?
Hey. That costs extra.
I'll put you right back into fucking traffic.
Hard.
Oh my god.
Ah! Ah!
I love how Kashu basically throughout all of that didn't say
Yeah.
a fucking thing.
Didn't
Like, he
do
just stood
fucking
still.
shit.
He just stood still and thought like,
Yeah.
oh, a car is coming. I won't even shout out to Milk.
That's unfortunate.
Yes, Milk doesn't have a scratcher.
Except these vocal cords. I know
It's an
you rescued
emotional
me and all, but
Yeah,
what are
it's
you
emotional.
buying?
Have to bunk. Have to bunk.
Buying.
Distract.
So please don't put yourself in danger, okay?
We might get sued.
Liability is a bitch.
Yeah.
Just
Carefully.
Milk in the background keeps saying shit like that.
Instead, I just tell Coconut the first things that come to my mind.
Wow, those are some huge bazongos.
Oh my god.
Yes.
You know, I wouldn't mind if you picked me up again.
God
Milk is just like at the distance, just saying, "What are you buying?" Again, like she's over
Yeah.
it already.
The NPC mode has been reactivated.
Yeah.
Milk's already approaching a different stranger.
Stranger, stranger. You want some octopus balls? Or
God
Rolex? Oh, Milk. Oh, Milk. Are you okay? Are you all right? Whoa, Master, I'm okay. Big sis saved me. Whoa. They didn't find the Rolexes, did they?
I
Rolexes.
love your range.
Yeah.
They didn't find the Rolexes, did they? Rolexes. Thank you so much.
Of course she's in on it.
I think she'd be like, you got her wallet, right?
I don't know how I could possibly thank you enough.
She was actually driving the car.
Oh,
It's an insurance scam.
Me? You don't really have to.
Oh, that's a lot of nuts.
Thank you.
Sorry.
For fuck's sake.
I really can't tell you how glad I am.
Just starting to blend together.
If I were to lose my beloved daughter, I couldn't even. I couldn't even.
All the while, continuing to shower Coconut with gratitude. You know, like a normal human response, looking at you, Cashew.
yeah. Yeah. I'm talking just like
Yeah.
mute. I'm mute, and I'm just looking at things and like. Yeah.
What's your name?
Pretty cool.
Just looking off at the distance, like that bird is really far away.
Yeah.
Like, Sam said it best. Like, the MC is a literal husk of a human being.
Yeah.
Thank you so very much.
It's not
Thank you so
Aquaman,
very much,
it's true.
Coconut-chan. I'll never forget this.
Sounded kind of threatening.
Want a Rolex?
If it weren't for you, my daughter might not be here with me right now.
I have to sell Rolexes alone.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now I can still move this inventory.
Here's your wallet back, by the way.
Please take this as a token of my gratitude. It's like her watch.
It's her watch. It's her.
Pat. Give me the pats.
This is the eternal.
I can only give you some takoyaki in return. I can't trust you with the
Takoyaki sounds
Rolexes.
I mean, money works too, you know.
I like that plan.
A Rolex watch.
Well,
Girls, you
how does that
deserve to
sound?
get paid.
I'll move some of that inventory for you.
Oh shit, I have to go, but I'll be back before the end of the stream because I'm assuming we're streaming for a long ass time tonight. So I'll be back.
Sure.
So
Okay.
someone cover for me until I'm back. I'm just gonna deafen.
Red, you want to cover?
Rez,
Yeah, I
you can
think
come.
Rez-
Okay. I think. Okay, I guess
Okay.
I'll cover.
Wait,
You're getting a star
Okay.
roll, right?
All right.
Yeah, I've been I got a field promotion.
Hell yeah.
That's great.
Aw,
I'm proud of
congrats
you.
on the promotion.
I think I'd kill a man to go to a fucking hibachi place at this point.
Yes.
God, you would kill a man for a quarter.
What?
Yeah,
Not a
same.
quarter. Not a quarter.
A dollar.
Kill a
You're the
man,
man?
period.
I don't know. Is there a
Seriously,
way you can swing
seriously.
nearby?
You see, the reality is he'd do it for the thrill.
Oh God.
It's no problem. No problem at all.
Just have to go back to the store and sell more Rolexes.
He saved my Milk's life. There's nothing in comparison. Yeah.
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 We just
Yeah.
ate the whole month of
boss.
their like leaving based on the whole inventory, and we just ate everything.
I mean, I don't mean to shit talk milk, but you've got ears that are bigger than half of your head. You should be able to hear when a car's coming.
I can hear that. I'm happy to see y'all eating so much too.
She's a kid.
Yeah, it was great. Thanks.
Wow. Okay.
This sounded so fucking passive aggressive.
Yeah.
Meow. Meow.
Yeah. I imagine her with the voice of Duke Nukem saying like, meow.
Meow. Gee, just one or a takoyaki.
I'm here to kick ass and chew meows, I guess.
Yeah.
I came here to nya and kick ass. I'm all out of ass.
All that and yeah.
You think I'm cute, punk? Yeah, pet my head.
Oh, that's right, Meowster. Our card. Our shop's business card.
What are you selling?
Pastries.
Wow! So, thanks so much, mister.
I got so excited I screwed up the line.
You dummy, he's still a young man.
Jesus, we saved your kid's life and then you insult us.
Uh-huh. Oh, I'm sorry. Thanks so much, Oni-chan.
We were like 5
All right.
hours.
We'll definitely drop by your place one of these days. Really. Thanks again.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, Big Sis Coconut. Thank you. Thank you. Can pick me up again. Okay, I won't. Never ever. I promise. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're slaves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brad, I guess you are my little pug fam.
Really. Thank you for everything. See you again.
They come back and the cafe's just on fire.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye. Way possible.
Bye-bye. See you next time, Big Sisters.
I didn't like that bye-bye at all.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Check my posture.
I'll
It's
never
great.
see you again.
I'm only a filler character.
Bye forever.
I'm just a filler character. Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got the wrong idea here, Shigui-chan. You know,
There's this cat that smoked a million Marlboros.
Meowster's stomach started hurting while we were coming back.
We were really trying to help him feel better, right, Coconut? Coconut?
Or yeah, something like that.
Why not just tell them we saved a small child?
I don't know.
Yeah, tell the truth. Okay.
Oh, wait. This is my part, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, go for it.
Yes,
Go for
that's
it, Brad.
okay.
You dolts! The seaweed stuck in your teeth, all of you!
Ah, shit.
Oh,
Canon
Just
wise,
go and
she
brush your
is,
freaking teeth, you ditzy catgirl sisters!
Yeah, I know, she's a pervert.
what's that, Nisama? You are going to give me a passionate kiss.
No.
A passionate
Nope.
kiss.
Oh, no,
and
no,
an
no, no,
apology.
so much
What
no.
on earth is
No,
that
no, no,
about?
no,
I'm
no,
not sure.
Strange danger.
Out of this house! Out of this house! Oh man, this is not poggers at all.
Oh, that's okay. Just a peck
Okay.
on the cheek.
Crisis averted.
Yeah.
Crisis
Oh, the-
averted.
The cheeks. Thank goodness, I'm saved. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
Shigeru.exe has
Somebody unplug her and replug her back in.
Shutting down.
Oh my gosh,
Alright,
she's
put her in the
crazy.
dumpster.
Yeah, this,
Man.
this killed just
She
Oh
got
my
kissed
God.
out. She passed out.
Okay, that is just plain creepy.
Thank you, people.
Oh.
Just when I thought her brother complex, well, I didn't get to finish that line. Oh, there it is. Just when I thought her brother complex couldn't get any worse. How scary.
what are you doing, Step Oni-chan?
Ah,
Like we can stay open with Cat girls plus Shigure equals annihilated.
Oh, I was hoping you'd read that more.
Flawless
intimidating
victory.
voice.
Oh, how about this? Kakarot plus Shigure equals annihilated.
There you go.
Oh my God.
That was
That's
perfect.
perfect. Perfect.
We've got to mop up the sea of blood as well.
I
Oh,
mean, is
God.
he dead?
Am I dead yet?
Not yet, unfortunately.
A panic shock is a real thing.
Anyway, just let me know when you're good, please.
Okay, just a little more. A little more. Nisama.
Mm.
Situation.
It's me.
Able to have.
Oh.
Oh, Matcha's back. I gotta feel demotion now. Feel demotion.
No.
Oh.
Well, it's about nuts.
What? What's that?
Mm.
You want fries with that?
Oh my god.
That'll be $4, baby.
I don't know what you said to her, but she looked a lot better after getting back.
Well, she did save the life of a small child.
Yeah.
That'll help.
Yeah.
I really feel like we're neglecting that.
Yeah.
So,
Kill- Clean up a pool of
nuts can
blood.
be such a pain sometimes. That cat girl, I swear.
I'm gonna cut you.
Yes.
Let me get the camera.
But if you want to thank me, then how about you up my pay?
That's right, girl. You got
There you
there. That's a good way to negotiate your salary. That's well done, girl.
A snappy comeback.
If you get a raise, you want to buy
Yeah.
Rolex?
Not now, Milk.
Back to the Rolex.
Rolex, yes.
Hold on, I gotta step away from it now. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Good thing, man.
Okay, Rez, you can be maple. Well, crimson.
No,
Vanilla.
Oh.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay.
Crimson?
I think. Is he muted?
No,
Oh,
I
or
think
is it
he's just dead.
Or was it Crimson that stepped away?
I mean, no, it was Tokay, but he may have disconnected.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. What about Rez if you continue with maple?
Hey,
now?
Kasho, could you take Shigure to the hospital?
Okay.
Nisama, Shigure is the luckiest girl in the world. What? Why?
Mm.
Maybe
Confetti.
may I be Nisama's little sister again in my next life?
I don't
No.
think you want to be his little sister.
Yeah, his stepsister. So I can marry. What? No, no. Let's just go all in as his what? Lover?
I
What
don't
I'm reading here?
this.
What? Yak? What?
She's
Yak?
dying.
Oh God.
Oh no.
Oh Lord.
Somebody
oh, my Lord.
bonk her. Somebody bonk her immediately.
Oh,
Wow.
I had such a wonderful dream. Nisama was being so forceful. What? Forceful? Oh God.
Oh no.
Oh, hey, aren't you like 12?
Bonk.
Like,
Yeah.
Just
meow,
bonk.
sir.
By majority vote, we have now declared Master guilty. Case closed.
Yes.
20 years
Yes.
in jail.
20 years
In
in jail,
horny
yeah?
jail.
Horny jail.
In
20
horny jail.
years in horny jail.
Case closed.
I'm
Horny
afraid I'm
jail.
the judge here.
Oh my god.
She's a little dense, but I don't mind at all. Dumbass.
Under her
What?
breath. Dumbass. Yeah, that's true.
The way you tease us
Can I
is just part of
interrupt?
your amazing
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
technique. Okay,
I
yeah.
have
go.
to leave. Love you. Sorry.
What?
What?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be like 2 hours. Because we said we were going to divide it into many parts. So yeah.
Oh.
I guess this
Okay. Okay, see you, buddy.
Should we wrap up to this chapter then?
yeah, let's wrap up this scene.
Yeah, or Resdog can, of course, step in for...
For who?
For
I'll
Coconut.
keep going.
For
It just makes me
Coconut.
nervous that
Oh,
I'm
I'm
gonna have
not
to do this in
replaceable?
Maple's voice.
It hurts. Pain pickle.
For Coconut, Resdog.
Okay.
Till we get to a part in which Coconut appears again, and I think that
Yeah.
we
That's
should
a good
go
idea.
there so that we can continue next time with Sugoi doing the Coconut parts.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's also really late for me right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Whatever. I'm gonna tap out now. It's really late for me.
Yeah, I
we
think
should wrap it
since-
here.
yeah, we should wrap it
Okay.
here and let Sugoi
Okay,
be
I'll,
here
I'll,
for the next
I'll
time.
save it, so next time we can start from here.
Jesus
Alright.
Christ, this was a way longer stream than I had anticipated.
Okay. Well, everybody, have a good
This
day.
is so cool. Yeah.
Have a
Take
good
care,
morning.
everybody. This is
Have a good
Amanda.
evening. I have no idea.
In time. Okay. Cheers.
Hug on it.
Bye now.
Hug on it.